Good morning, students. Welcome to virtual class of Bruhad Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag. I am from Rekha Patel. I am from Govindnagar, MPS, Malad East. Today's subject is play learn, and we will topic is fruit processing. Okay. Before starting with the topic, come on, tell me what is this? What is this, students?
Fruit.
Fruits. Very nice. Very good. Now come on, identify the fruits. Okay. What is this?
Guava.
What is this?
Pear.
Pear. Pear. What is this? A pear. Okay. Now, what is this?
Apple.
Very good. Excellent. And what is this?
Pomegranate.
Very nice. Excellent, students. And what is this?
Orange.
Very good. Then next, what is this?
Banana.
Very good. Very good, students. You have identified all of them correctly. Now, I will small sing a song for you. You have to listen it carefully. Okay? So let's start. Let's eat some fruits. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat some fruits. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat some apples. Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat some pears. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat some pomegranate. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat some bananas. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat some apple. Yum, 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 yum. Fruits are healthy for our bodies. Fruits are healthy for our bodies. Fruits are healthy for our bodies. So eat them every day. So eat them every day. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. As I said, today's subject is play, do, learn. And topic is fruit processing. Okay. So students, we know what are the fruits. We know their names as well. Also, we know that we have to eat at least one fruit every day. Okay. But why we have to eat fruit and what are the benefits of fruits? So first of all, start with it benefit of eating fruit. Fruits can boost our immune system. Immune system means it protects our body from bad bacteria so that we become healthy. Okay. Fruits contains vitamins which are useful for our body. By eating fruit, we get different vitamins like E, C, B, A, and many more. Fruits make our body strong. Also makes our skin glow. Boosts our brain power as well, so that we can learn the new things easily and we can study more. Fruits will give us energy so that we can play for more time and we will feel energetic all day. Okay, so tell me, do you know from where we get this fruit?
Yes.
Yes, okay. From which market we can get this fruit? Which market we can get the fruits? Fruit markets. Okay. We can get the fruits. Fruit market. Okay. So today we will also visit the fruit market, but virtually. So look at this picture, observe it and give me answer. So come on, tell me what you observe. Come on, tell me, beta, what you observe. What is this? Which fruit is this? The student. Yes, banana. What is this? Which
Cucumber.
very good. Which fruit is this? Hello, student. Very,
Tangerine.
very good. What is this and?
There are child and mother.
Yes, very good. Childs and mothers. Okay, and which? Now tell me this person name. What you will can? What you will call? Hello. Now tell me this person name. What you will call? Fruit. What you will call, beta? Fruit seller. What you will call? Fruit seller. Okay. We can say the person as fruit seller or fruit vendor because he sell the fruit. He sell the fruit. Whenever we go to the fruit market, what we'll say to the fruit seller? What we say to the fruit seller? Hello students, what we will to the fruit seller, beta? One, give me some fruit. Okay, fruit seller is give me some fruits. So many fruits are there in the market. So many fruits are there in the market. So we have to say fruit name to the uncle like I want apple or banana or grapes. Okay, yes or no?
Or banana.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. After that, you ask about the price. Like what is the price of apples, bananas, grapes? Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good. Then after asking price, what you will give to uncle?
Money.
Money, very good. Very good, excellent. So when we will give the money to fruit vendor along with fruit name, then he will gives us a fruit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very nice. Okay. Did you see that weighing machine? Did you see that weight machine? Okay. Okay. Weight machine. So if we tell the uncle that I want 1 kg apple, then he will weigh the 1 kg apple and gives the apple to us. Dozens and kilograms are weight measure for fruits. So some fruits like bananas, mangoes are sold as per the dozens. Okay. And some fruits like apple, pear, orange, grapes are sold as per the kilograms. Okay, dozens and kilogram. Okay, beta.
Yes.
Understood? Yes. Yes. So come on, tell me some big fruits from the picture. What is the big fruit picture?
Watermelon.
Very good. And big fruits, papaya. Okay, big fruits, papaya. Very good. So fruits, vendor have to properly arrange this fruit in the shop and then they will sell it. So this is all about the picture. We can see that one fruit vendor is selling the fruits. He has so many fruits in his shop. There is one weighing machine to measure the fruits, and boys and girls are very excited by seeing all these colorful and juicy fruits. Okay,
Yes.
so let's move further. Now we will identify some fruits and we will try to learn their spelling. Okay, so which fruit is this?
Mango.
Very good, mango. Very nice. Repeat after me spelling. Okay, M-A-N-G-O, mango.
M-A-N-G-O. Mango.
Mango is the national fruit of India. The ripe mangoes are sweet in taste. Ripe mangoes are yellow or orange in color. Unripe mangoes are green in color and sour in taste. So this is a mango. What is this? This is a mango. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Come on, tell me which fruit is this?
Papaya.
Very nice. Excellent. Papaya. Okay. Yes, papaya. A-Y.
Papaya.
Very good, papaya.
P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya.
Very good. Papaya is big in size. Its taste is big size, beta. Okay. Its taste is very sweet and juicy. The color of papaya is yellow, orange, and green. Contains many black colored seeds inside it. We get vitamins A and iron by eating papaya. So this is the papaya. Okay. Yes, papaya. Next one is, what is this?
Pomegranate.
Very good. Pomegranate. Okay. Yes. Spelling is, repeat after me. Okay. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate.
P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate.
Very good. Yes, good. It's red in color. It is sweet in taste. Also, it is a seeded fruit. You can eat this seed as well. She can make pomegranate juice. She can make pomegranate juice. So this is pomegranate. This is pomegranate. What is this? Apple. Very good. Repeat after me. A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
It is red or green in color.
Red or green in color.
Okay. Apple is generally sweet in taste. It can be consumed daily also. Doctors say an apple a day keeps the doctors away. It is a winter season fruit. It is a winter season fruit. Okay. So this is apple. So this is a apple. Okay. Next one, which fruit is this?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good, student. Very good,
Watermelon.
student. Very good, beta. Okay. Repeat after me, watermelon. Okay. Watermelon. Watermelon.
And watermelon.
Very good. It is a summer season fruit. It is a summer season fruit. It is sweet and juicy fruit. It is a green from outside and red from inside. Okay, outside is green and inside is red color. Yes. It is big in size and heavy. It is a watermelon. Okay. Next one. What is this?
Banana.
Very good. Banana. Repeat after spelling. A. Repeat after me.
Banana.
Very good. It is also sweet in taste. It's yellow color fruits. Raw banana is green in color and after ripping it becomes yellow. It gives us instant energy and help to grow strong bones. So this is banana. This is a banana. Okay. Next fruit is
Orange.
orange. And which color is, yes, good. And which color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Orange. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. Orange. Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Very good. Orange is a sour and sweet fruit. It is round in shape. It has orange color. We can also make orange juice. It is very healthy. This is a orange. Okay, this is a orange.
I like orange
Yes, good.
and watermelon.
Orange. Okay. And next fruit is, this is orange. And next fruit is kiwi. Very good. Excellent. Repeat after me. Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Very good. It is a oval shaped fruits. It is green and golden in color. We can make juice from it. It is sweet and sour in taste. Okay, so this is a kiwi. This is a kiwi. Then next fruit is, which fruit?
Chiku.
Very
I
good.
like chiku.
Okay, very nice. Excellent. Okay. Chiku.
I like
Yes, Yes, beta. In Hindi or in our mother tongue, we call chiku. But its correct name is sapodilla. Correct name is sapodilla. Okay. Repeat after me. Sapodilla. Sapodilla.
Sapodilla.
Very good. Yes. It is brown in color. It is brown in color. It is the sweet fruit.
Brown color and
Yes.
outside is brown color and inside is brown color.
Yes, yes, good, very good. Outside is brown and inside is be brown. Okay. It is a sweet fruit and it is round in shape. We can make milkshake. We can make milkshake and ice cream from it. Okay, this is a sapodilla. This is a sapodilla. Okay. What is this?
Pineapple.
Very good. Pineapple. Repeat after me spelling. Okay. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Very good. It is sweet and sour in taste. It also a juicy fruit. It is good for our health. The outer part of pineapple is very rough and from inside it is yellow in color. We can make juice, jams and cake from it. So this is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. Okay. So these are some fruits. Now we will do one exercise which is given in your textbook. Identifying the names of fruits with the help of pictures. Which fruit is this?
Mango. Mango.
Oh, very good. Repeat after me. Okay, spelling M-A-N-G-O, mango.
M-A-N-G-O, mango.
Very good. And which color is this?
Orange.
Which color is this? Yellow, orange. Very good. Next fruit is, what is
Apple.
this? Very good. And which color is this?
Red.
Red. Very good. Repeat after me, okay? A-P-P-L-E, apple.
A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple.
Very good. Which fruit is this?
Pomegranate.
Very nice. And which color is this?
Red.
Red. Very good. Repeat after me spelling, okay? P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate.
P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate.
Very good. Excellent. Next, which fruit is this?
Banana.
Banana. And which color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana.
B-A-N-A-N-A, banana.
Very good. And next, which fruit is this?
Banana. Grapes.
Grapes. Very good. And which color is this?
Green.
Green. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes.
G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes.
Very good. And next fruit is?
Watermelon.
Very good. Watermelon. Repeat after me. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon.
W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon.
Very good. And which color is this?
Outside is green and inside is red.
Very good. Excellent students. Very nice. Which fruit is this and?
Grapes.
Beta, no grapes. This is a jamun. This is a jamun. Okay. Spelling after me. Jamun. Jamun.
Jamun. Jamun. Jamun.
Which color is this?
Black.
Yes, very good. And last one. Which fruit is this?
Cherry.
Cherry. Very good. Repeat after me. CHERRY. Cherry.
CHERRY. Cherry.
Very good. And which color is this?
Red.
Red. Very good. Excellent students. Okay. Now next exercise is color the fruits. This exercise is given in your textbook. So you have to do this activity in your textbook. So which fruit is this?
Banana.
Banana. Very good. And what is the color of banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very
Banana.
nice.
Yellow.
Yes, very good. Shaped with yellow color. So you have to fill the banana shaped with yellow color. Okay. Similarly, next, which fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple.
Is it red color?
Very good. Very nice. Excellent student. And okay. So you have to fill it with red color and fill the leaves with
Green color.
color. Very good. Green in color. Okay. Similarly, third fruit. Which fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. So color it with yellow colors and
Color is yellow.
yes, good. And color the leaves with very good green color.
Green.
Very nice. Excellent. So this is homework for you. So this is homework for you. Okay. I hope my enjoyed the lessons.